This is a chapter 25 uh, video review. Chapter 25, this is our last video review. It is laws of debtor creditor relations and consumer protection. So it goes over just like what that means, and then it talks about, for a large portion, it talks about the Federal Bankruptcy Code and the incorporation of the Bankruptcy Abuse Prevention and Consumer Protection Act of 2005. So that's an act that outlaws this stuff that has to do with the debit or credit relations. So, and then there's a couple other main points out of this chapter, like the federal laws that regulate this stuff with consumer credit, business, and debit collection practices. Talks about another act, the Dodd-Frank Act, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, that act might have been mentioned before in another chapter or something. And what a creditor is the lender in a transaction, and debtor, whatever, is the borrower in the transaction. Which makes sense because they got debt in the name, so because they're borrowing money. So this is basically all about like credit cards and debit cards and stuff. So a lot of these cases that end up going to court have to do with banks and people that have their money in the banks, or people not paying back their bank for money they borrowed and stuff like that. Which is pretty relevant because this stuff happens every day. There's tons of people that are in debt because of their credit, bad credit, stuff like that, and people getting in trouble for it every day. So yeah.